Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to talk about a new thing we're doing called Problem of the Week. Once a week, I will assign you a problem that'll take you about a week to finish. You can turn it in as many times as you like, and I will give you feedback. I will never just give you the answer, so if you ask for the answer, you're not going to get it. But I will try and lead you in the right direction. If you feel like you're getting frustrated or you feel like giving up, just don't. I know that they're hard and you're going to struggle with them, but please try and solve them without my help, and you'll become a stronger person because of it. So go to your assignment, all right? So you'll find it on Google Classrooms. Open it up, and you'll see something. It'll be a Google Doc, and it could have stuff like this on it. This one's just an example. This isn't yours. All right. Question 1, write and solve a mathematical expression. Make sure to highlight your answer. So this is going to be important because you'll have to write using math, and there's no easy way to do fractions or square roots on here, so you'll have to insert one. Insert equation. Okay, bunch of different symbols. Okay, the only one you'll use in this box is pi. You might use multiply, divide. Probably won't use any of the other ones. You might use one of these two, and you'll probably use fractions, square roots, and exponents. All the other ones you probably won't use. So we insert one. Let's do fractions. So we'll do 1, and I just click the right arrow, half. If I click the arrow again, it'll take me out of the fraction. Okay, in my upper right of my keyboard, I have a plus symbol. Maybe I want to add, this time, a square root. 6. If I click, oops, let's do 9. If I click the arrow key, it'll take me out of that. And then I could do minus, oops. Okay. Insert multiplication. Oh, how did I get down like that? What's it doing? Square root of 9. Click the arrow key, takes me out. Plus 9 equals. Okay. And then I'd end up with a fraction. 1/2 plus, this is 3, plus 9 would be 12.5. So I'd write 12, and then I'd add another fraction in there. 1, right arrow, 2, right arrow. And it asks you to highlight your answer. I tried this earlier. You can't highlight an equation answer. Okay, but if you write just like a number, like 7, you can highlight that. Okay, the way to do that is click up here. Right now you can change the color of the text. You want to go highlight, and then you can change the highlight behind it. So you just made it yellow. Okay? Next, you need to create a data table showing your best mile times. To create a table, you can go to Table, Insert Table, or Insert Table. Both get you there. Okay, and then decide how long it's going to be. You can make it bigger or smaller. Okay, I'm just going to do something like that. So let's say each week I ran a mile. Oops. Week number 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I didn't like this number, I got, oh no, I want to add one more. I double click. To double click, you need to click with 2 fingers. Insert row below. And then I could add a 5th week. Mile times. And I could just write what I got on each one. So 6 minutes and 1 second. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Okay. If I'd like to add another column, I can do that. by clicking insert column to the right. Okay, maybe I also wanted my half mile times. Insert those in there. If I change my mind, I don't want this column, you can delete column. You can delete rows, and it'll do all that for you. Okay? You can also change the color of the background of these if you wish. Next, you're going to edit this drawing. So sometimes I'll put in drawings with a picture in there, and if you click on it, you'll see an edit button. You get to edit that. Okay? So when you click edit, this will pop up, and you'll be able to add things. What this question asks you to do is draw a line. So all you'd have to do is go up here to line. You can make a line with an arrow, curvy line, polyline, or scribble. Scribble is just going to go wherever your finger goes, wherever your mouse goes. You can undo any mistakes or redo them if you want, or you can just delete by clicking the backspace button. I'm just going to use a straight line for this one. Okay, that goes from 0 up to the top. Okay, oops, didn't want that one, so I got rid of it. I can add text box. As you notice, I missed a title, so I could call this business income, which is a fancy word for money that a business makes. All right, you can change the letter or the colors of the lines. You can change what color the inside of this box is. If you want it blue, you can make it blue. All right, lots of different tools in here that you will need to play with to get good at. So save it and close, and then all of your changes are saved. Okay, then the final thing it asks you to do is insert your own drawing of a farm. So you'll go up to Insert, Drawing. This is what I did. Okay. All right, and it asks for a farm. So I want to pick a shape. Look at all the possible shapes you can pick. All right, so I'm going to pick this. Okay, it's a farm, so I'm going to make it green like grass. If I change my mind and want to rotate it, I can rotate it. I can undo that. Okay. Now it asks me to give the measurements. One side is 12 meters, so I inserted a text box. Okay, and you can copy a text box if you'd like. Copy. Yep. So these are the ways you can do it: Control C and Control V and Control X. Control C is copy. Control V is paste. So I just copied a new one, and I put it over here on the side. Squish it down. I want it to be 10 meters. Okay. Then I click Save and Close. And then this is what you'd see. This is what I would see. Alright, you can always go back in and re-edit it if you wish. So lots of cool ways to turn this in or to work on a Google Doc. Alright, when you're finished, just click the blue Turn In button, and I will get a copy of it. Yep, turn it. Okay. I might send it back to you, and then you could unsubmit and turn it back in, or just turn it back in. If you have any more questions, ask me when we're in class. All right, see you next time.